Okay.
Yeah, I don't know, to me anyway, and you know, I'm no chef, but when I use a chef's knife on a cutting board, I like it to rock from the front to the back.
Right.
And so to get rid of this broken tip here, I'm not going to change the contour of the cutting edge, which would just make it kind of a canoe front.
Right.
I'm going to take the top down to meet this.
Okay.
It matters less.
Right.
In fact, I think I'll do that on the grind. This keeps it from moving, introduces a huge measure of non-human stability.
And control when you're holding the blade.
Controls angles, and it's used to guide the knife along this wooden rail here.
Oh.
Right?
Yes.
And you flip it over to the other side and sharpen the obverse half of the edge, and because these pins are exactly the same length, the angle of incidence on the belt is identical, so the bevel is perfectly even on both sides.
Oh, that's
pretty cool, huh?
It is cool.
The guy that invented this is one of my heroes.
Now, are these clamps made specifically for knives and sharpening knives?
Yes, as far as I know. There are varieties of these out there, but I don't think I've ever seen one exactly like this. I made one myself out of heavier material to hold swords. So I'm going to start with this is like a 22-degree angle in this groove here for the coarse belt. Because it makes really ugly tool marks.
Okay.
And then after the nicks are out and the bevels are shaped, I'd use finer grit belts and use the lower groove here